everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got another 888 Lots box. This has got office supplies in it. But as we've discovered, office supplies doesn't always mean office supplies. So we're going to find out the interesting items we find inside of this 888 Lots box. If you want to order from 888 Lots yourself, the links are always down in the description, as well as some international sister companies that are associated with 888 Lots if you don't live in the United States. So I spent $84 on this box. Let's see if we make our money back.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, let's see what we can find. Office supplies. Is it office supplies? The last few times we have found paper clips, so that's clearly office supplies. I don't know what else we'll find in here.
Found a kid's art set one time.
We did find a kid's art set one time. I'm hoping to find more of those because those are pretty neat. Ooh, I think I see something we found before. These are cool.
Oh, yeah.
These are ancient hemisphere
World maps.
World maps.
I think we're doing $15 on
Yeah,
them.
$15 a piece.
Oh, I got two of them. Awesome.
Yeah. So that's cool. Let's see what else we got.
Boom.
Ooh.
Kid art set.
What were we talking about? Kids' art supplies. There we go. Okay, stuck to this. Hold on. There. Okay, so it's got stencils, all that fun stuff. Then we've got, what is this? Clear tape. Nano Magic Tape. Double-sided gel grip. Okay. So,
Put those on the other side of the maps before they roll off.
oh, yeah. That's a good idea. Keep them from jumping off the table. Okay, these are basically foam fillers for, this works really good, like if you got your grandma's china that you're getting out for Christmas and now you have to put it away. These would be great for wrapping around precious pieces that you don't always use all the time and, you know, storing them or moving. If you're moving for any reason or shipping for any reason, those are great. Random paper clips.
It's awesome.
From this box that's already opened. Anybody need paper clips? Because I've got about a blue million of them now. So, okay, then we have chalk markers.
That's cool.
Probably for painting. Some kind of artistic. Ooh, this is a nice set. 26-pack of super soft real brush pens. Most used water brush pens. Boy, that's a lot of different colors.
It's a lot of colors.
I like that. We've got pencils with unicorns and rainbows.
There you go. It's all unicorns and rainbows.
Unicorns and rainbows here. All right, gel pens.
I keep those.
I keep these, yeah. And we got cardstock, cream-colored cardstock. We had that in the last box, I think. And we have, these are blank notepads. 3 pads, 50 sheets each. Those always come in handy.
Mm-hmm.
So this is clearly much more of an office supply one. Ooh, look at that studio art set.
That is a nice set.
Yeah,
nice box.
Yeah, nice handle. That is a really cool looking set. Kind of a wooden box look there. Then we've got file folder labels. Little stickers. We've got a composition book. Wide ruled. Dr. Grip, retractable ballpoint pen refill. Look at this. All you need for school. Little owls and bears and pandas and...
It's like beanie books instead of beanie babies.
Yeah, it's really cute though. Look at all the little characters are so cute. Looking ruler. This would be a nice school thing. Then we've got some stickers. Spaceship ones. They're outer space ones. So they got astronauts and rocket ships.
Cool.
Martha Stewart's paint. I think we got this in the other ones. We'll add it together. We're going to make like a paint lot. Here is some more paper clips. Heavy duty 2 pocket plastic folders. I buy these plastic folders for my kids because the paper ones always rip about 2 months in. The plastic ones seem to last a little bit better. Watercolor paints.
This is like a school supply box, I feel like. Versa Chalk. Water-based, dust-free, it says. Then this is New Star Food Service Stainless Steel No Smoking reserve sign. Remember the reserve signs we have? This is a metal no smoking one. Then we have another Martha Stewart paint, same color. This is just a tape roll. Then we have a pencil sharpener. That is a fancy pencil sharpener. Brass bullet. And then we have 2 of them. Those are some fancy pencil sharpeners. Alright, then we get some big boxes in here. We're going to try to figure out what's in these. This says wood bookends.
Hey!
Oh, you got more bookends!
I love bookends.
He does love his bookends. Of course, the last ones, those Geo
Those
bookends,
are beautiful.
were gorgeous. Okay, now I have to be smarter than the box and figure out how to open it. Right here, maybe? I don't want to, like, ruin... I think I'm going to have to open it just to see them. You know what? Let's scan it and see if we can't get a picture of it rather than opening a brand new product. I don't know if it'll let me scan this one. It's kind of a beat up barcode. Oh, it's going to do it. Yep. This is what they look like. Little bookends. Little
There they
wooden
are.
ones.
Nice.
It looks like there's, yeah, a set
Not
of
super
2.
decative, but just the basic,
Yeah,
nice
pair,
look.
though. So there's actually 4 of those in there. And look, I think we have another one. So we've got 2 sets of... Nope. These are clips. It's in the same size box, so I thought it was the same thing. These are basically clips badges. Badge holders with
Okay,
clips on them.
yeah.
I thought it was the bookends again, but it's not. Okay, what's this? This is envelopes, 6x9 self-sealed envelopes.
We had gotten some of those. They're actually not bad. I think we're doing $15 a box on those.
And then I think, yes, these are the same thing. Self-sealing, 6x9. They're kind of like the card, like holiday card envelope size. And so those are really nice because they're self-sealing. So this is all the stuff we got out of the box. I love these kind of things, the kids' toys and stuff. We're going to price everything, show you what we're going to sell everything for on our fire sales or on Hooked on Pickin or on Amazon. And so stay tuned. Okay, we're already priced, so let's see what we have and what we are asking price-wise for it. So we've got these, of course, fillers, paddings, $5 a piece for those. Then this Ultimate Drawing Stencil Set, $10 for that is all we're asking. Then we have this awesome 26-pack of premium super soft brush pens, $10 there. Then we have the double-sided clear tape, $5 for that. $15 each for the cool maps, wall maps. Then $5 for the 65-pound cream-colored cardstock. And then we have the medical grade tape, $5. Then the universal file folder labels, $5 there. Then we have the blank notepads, 3 of them for $5 a piece. And then, not $5 a piece, $5 for the whole pack, sorry. Then we have the watercolor craft lot paints, watercolor, and then little pen, $5 there. Then this is actually the no smoking sign, $5 there. Along with the gel pens that are $10. Then we have the chalk markers for $10, the pack of pencils with the stickers for $5, the studio art set in the wooden box for $15, the refillable pen, ballpoint pen refills, $5 for that, $5 for the composition wide ruled notebook. Then we have the orange file folders, or not file folders, yeah, the folder, 2-pocket plastic folder, sorry. This is a 6-pack for $10. And then we have the tie kind of school starting bundle with all the cute, adorable figures on it. $10 for that. Then we have the awesome brass bullet pencil sharpeners. 2 of them we're going to sell for $5. We'll sell them as a pack. Then we have the large horizontal name badge holders with clips,
$10 for that 100 of them. Then we have the wood bookends for $10. And then these are the 6x9 sealable envelopes for $15 a piece. And so when we add all that together, we come down up to $220. Let's take off the 84 and we're at $136. Not too bad. And all of this is stuff that people want to buy. It's usable items. That's what I love about these boxes. So hopefully it's been fun to watch this unboxing after Christmas. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below.
Hey, if you need something awesome, you still got parties coming up, or just find out that you need some supplies or journals or just neat gift ideas, well, we still are having a Christmas sale. We're doing kind of a Christmas day and the weekend sale. So you're going to use the promo code Jesus, JESUS 20. Jesus 20 is the promo code. You're going to get 20% off every single thing in my store, and that includes even my reseller resources. So go check out hookedonpickin.com for the discounts.